All right, so today we're making macaroni with beans. Yes, you heard that right. We're making macaroni with beans. In fact, we're using these Great Northern beans, or I like to call them white beans. And it's a very savory but simple dish that I put together, and I think you're gonna like it. Let's get started. All right, so I've got a pot of water here, and to this pot, I'm going to add a bunch of sea salt to make the water nice and salty. Turn on the heat and wait until it boils. So while we are waiting for the water to boil, I'm gonna go ahead and open this can of beans using my Kitchen Mama can opener. And there you go, as easy as that. Now we're gonna dump this into a colander. So there's my colander, there's my can. There it is right there. And this is the macaroni that I'm gonna be using. Product of Italy, right here, from Trader Joe's. And the way that you know that it's pretty real pasta, or as real as it can get, is there's very few ingredients. In this case, there's only one ingredient, and that is durum wheat semolina. Durum wheat semolina. One ingredient only in this pasta. No fancy chemicals. All right, so my water is now boiling, as you can see. So what I'm gonna do is add 2 cups of pasta. And the package says to let it boil for about 6 minutes, but I'm gonna do about 8 minutes because I like mine to be a little bit softer, but on the al dente side, but just softer. All right, so 8 minutes is up. Let us go ahead and strain this into a colander. Add the beans. All right, so I strained the macaroni and I put it back inside the pot along with the white beans. And we're gonna set this aside for a second. All right, so next we're gonna take an onion and chop it up and add it to our mixture after we saute it. First we wanna chop it. All right, so I've got my pan here. I'm gonna add to it some olive oil. And we're gonna saute these onions and then add it to the mixture of macaroni and beans. Let's go ahead and add these beautiful onions. All right, so we have the macaroni, we have the sauteed onions, and we have the white beans in there. What else are we gonna add? Some olive oil. About 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese. maybe 3. 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Garlic powder. Onion powder. Oregano. Basil. And after we added all of the ingredients, this is the final, most critical move. That's also my favorite move. We put on the lid and then we shake it to mix it all up. Hold it tight. And see that? There's the finished product, all mixed up. Let's give it a try. Oh. Oh. Delicious. That is fantastic. You gotta try it. The cayenne pepper, by the way, makes all the difference. Not too spicy, but it gives a nice spicy ending to the macaroni.